Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by getting your audio path ready, update drivers, choose the playback device, and install the Equalizer app if you need one. Once done, open the EQ interface and pick the output you want to shape. Make sure no other audio enhancements are active so controls don't fight. You'll work with bands next, so leave the window visible. This step sets a clean foundation so your adjustments will reflect actual changes without software conflicts. You'll now shape sound by moving frequency bands. Low frequencies give bass weight, mids carry vocals, highs add air. Start with conservative moves, try plus or minus 3 to 6 dB because extreme boosts cause distortion. Once you hear a direction, sweep narrow bands to identify problem frequencies and notch them out. Make sure to toggle bypass to compare changes against the original. If you use presets, treat them as a springboard. Adjust from there to match your room and headphones. Finish by testing across different songs and volume levels so your EQ works broadly rather than for one track. You should save distinct presets for headphones, speakers, and streaming to avoid redoing work. Once satisfied, minimize latency by checking buffer and sample rate settings. If audio sounds worse, reset to flat, reinstall the driver, or verify sample rate and bit depth match between app and device. One quick troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.